Today, we're gonna show you how to
fun family activities. Let's have some fun!
Okay, so these are the things you need. We bought tie-dye from Shopee. Yeah, so you have 12 different colors. It comes with the rubber band, plastic gloves, this plastic sheet that covers the table, and of course we will need white t-shirt. Alright, we have pre-washed the shirt first, and now it is still very damp. Okay, it's still very wet, so that it's still wet, so that when you put the colors, right, it will absorb better. Okay? Okay, now let's start tying our t-shirt. Okay, Zikri, you go first. What pattern do you want?
Spiral.
You want spiral?
Yes.
Okay, so first we put the t-shirt like this, right? Zikri, you pinch the center part. Yeah, center, and you twist. Twist. No, pinch like this, and you twist.
Okay. Like a whirlpool.
Yeah, twist like a whirlpool. Make a whirlpool. Yeah, twist. Okay, so this one will be for Zikri. You wait first. Okay, now Zahin,
Bullseye.
your shirt, you want a bullseye, right? Okay, your bullseye, you want it to be center or at the side? Center. Okay, so now we take the center part here, you pinch here, and you pull up. Pull up, pull. Yeah, okay, so that is your center. So now, okay, then now, give me the center part. Okay, we're gonna use the rubber band and tie along, okay, like this. Take the rubber band and we'll tie it like here to make the different sections.
Just like squid.
Okay? Okay, so Zahin. Yeah, so later you can put like different colors. Okay, this part here one color, different colors like this. Zahin, you hear me or not?
Yes.
So you can put different colors. Okay?
Wait, this looks like a unicorn.
Yeah, it looks like a unicorn. Alright. Alright, Zara, now it's your turn. What pattern do you want?
Bull eyes.
You also want bullseye? Okay, your bullseye you want at the center or at the sides? You want this side? Okay, so you pinch this side and you pull up. Pull up. Yeah, okay, come give it to me. So, do the same. Okay, we have to tie with the rubber bands. Okay? Now, for adik Zuri. Okay, adik, I think I will also make spiral design for adik.
Why?
Huh? But Zikri, your spiral starts from the center, right? So Zuri spiral will start from the side. Or this side. Or this side. Or this side. Maybe I start this side. Okay. So this is for Zuri. Okay, now make sure the shirt is still wet. Okay, just spray. So now we're gonna start dyeing the shirt. Then I will turn it around like this. Right, then okay, Zara, your turn. 24 hours later, we have already cut the rubber bands away and rinsed the shirt. So, this is the final product.
Zuri.
This is Zuri's shirt. Oh look, can you see the spiral design?
Yeah.
Oh.
I can see like a whirlpool. Yeah.
Yeah.
The spiral
And then this is the
flow.
second shirt that we made. This is Zikri's shirt, also spiral design. Yeah, colorful peacock, right?
Yes.
Yeah, very nice.
So cool. It's so giant that one.
Yeah, and then Zahin, you asked for a bullseye design. So this is your bullseye shirt.
But this is
Oh, it's like an explosion of colors. So this is the final shirt, Zara's shirt. She asked for a bullseye design, but the bullseye started at the corner here. So this is the back. Alright, but Zara's shirt turned out a bit cloudy. Maybe because the shirt was a bit too wet, I guess. But it still looks cool. Let's try them on.
Yeah. You should subscribe to our channel. Like and share this video. I love you. Bye.